Hey, what's up guys, Simran here, back again with another video, and in this video I present you a quick camera review of the Realme 6i. I recommend you to watch this video till the end, and let's begin. Realme 6i is following the trend of 2020. It comes with a quad camera setup. Primary camera is a 48 megapixel sensor with f1.8 aperture. Next is ultra-wide camera with f2.3 aperture, and then a macro camera of 2 megapixel, and then a black and white portrait camera of 2 megapixel. On front, you will find a 16 megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. Let's take a look at the camera interface. On extreme left, you will find a night mode, beside which is a video mode, and then photo mode, portrait mode, 48 megapixel mode, and then time lapse, ultra macro mode, slow-mo, pro mode, and panorama. On top, you will find a toggle for LED flash, beside which is a HDR toggle. Then a toggle for a chroma boost, and then some filters. Tap on the three dots and you can set the frame rate, timer, and then you have the camera settings. Now let's take a look at the camera samples. Do share your views about these samples in the comments down below. Now let's take a look at the video samples. So these were the photos and the video samples shot on Realme 6i. If you're planning to buy Realme 6i, then do visit the nearest N4U mobile store for offers and discounts. That's it about this video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.